I'm back. What's going on, everyone? It's Chris from Rarefied Frags. Thank you for joining my channel. I appreciate every single one of you coming out and showing your support. So, it's been a minute since I've posted a video. I figured I'll start off by showing you guys a bunch of fragrances that I've collected, and in time we'll do reviews for. But just thinking about this, I got a whole bunch of Aventus clones, and some of you might not have heard of any of the ones I'm about to show you. So let's begin. So everybody knows about this superstar right here, Club de Nuit Intense Man EDP. This one smells like Aventus, and I think this lasts a little bit longer as well. It's much more smokier, much more pineapple-y, I'll even say. Now, this is one I don't think anybody has ever heard of. Parfums Aubusson. This is called Plush Leather, and this company makes a lot of fragrances. I mean, a whole lot. You can find this at a Burlington. This is pretty tart smelling. It's a little bit more tart smelling than Aventus, but it's got that Aventus profile. Very tart and a little bit smoky. Another one is this Black Walnut Legend by Banana Republic. This fragrance, if you follow me on Instagram, you'll know how I feel about this. It's so, I don't know, there's just something about it just makes you not want to wear it as much as the other ones. The longevity isn't that great. I think this one, it has a pineapple note in it, but it's like a green pineapple, like an unripe pineapple, not sweet. It's like super tart, super bitter. I don't like it. Another one is this right here, Mont Blanc Explore. This is a bit, I think, softer smelling compared to the other ones. Let's spray that. Yeah, it's softer. I think a bit more fruitier compared to the original Aventus. This is a lot more fruitier. It's like medium smoke. If there was a lot of smoke and there was a little smoke, this is like right in the middle. But it's very good. So, all in all, we've got a lot of options out there. A lot of options. And, you know, if you're not looking to spend a whole bunch of money on Aventus, I recommend giving these a try. Not this Black Walnut so much, but, you know, the Club de Nuit Intense Man EDP, the Aubusson Private Collection Plush Leather, and the Mont Blanc Explorer. Oh, I got one more. I forgot. I got one more. This little tiny baby right here. I got a small version of it. This is London by English Laundry, which is also a Aventus clone. This is super smoky, but in a good way. I even compare it to this Club de Nuit Intense EDP. This smokiness. This is cheaper. This is cheaper than the Club de Nuit Intense, man. Yeah, this is. I think these are about the same. You get better value and better performance with this one, but these smell very close to each other. Yeah, it's a lot. Oh, but yeah, I've also fancied up my little display case. But yeah, that's a quick update for me. Some quick info for you guys. If you like this video, please hit the thumbs up. Hit that subscribe button so you keep up with all my future videos. Hit that bell notification so you can keep up with updates and whatever. Till next time, everybody stay blessed. And if you smell good, you feel good.